Hey y'all, it's Rosie from iHeartRecipes.com. In this video, I'm going to share my recipe for smothered potatoes and sausage. This is super easy, and of course, I will be giving the recipe as we go, so listen up. So we're starting off with our russet potatoes. I have between 5 to 6 medium russet potatoes that have already been scrubbed and rinsed. Now we're going to peel them. So once the potatoes are nice and peeled, we are going to slice them and try to slice them in even slices so that when you cook them, everything will cook evenly, if that makes any sense. So once you're done peeling and slicing them, place them in a bowl with some water so they don't brown. Set them to the side, and then you can start dicing up your onion. And I have a large yellow onion, and I also have a large green bell pepper. However, you can use whatever kind of bell pepper you decide to use. Any color will work just fine. So make sure those are nice and diced to your preference, and then you're going to grab a rope of sausage. I'll be using beef rope sausage. If you want to use turkey, you can. If you want to use pork, if you want to use Polish sausage, you can do that too. So just slice it up in even pieces, or as even as you can get it, and then we are going to move over to the stovetop. So I have my pan over medium heat. I have about maybe a little under half a cup of oil in there, and we're going to cook the sausage until it browns. I like to cook the sausage before anything else because I like some of that smoky flavor from the sausage to go into the oil, and then when we fry the potatoes and the other things, it's seasoned with that smoky flavor. So once the meat is browned, we can remove it from the pan, just set it to the side, and now we can start adding in our potatoes. But first, make sure you drain the water from the potato bowl, the bowl that the potatoes were in, and pat dry your potatoes. Otherwise, the oil will pop, and not in a good way. So we're going to fry those potatoes until they start to get nice and tender, and then we can start adding in our peppers and onions, and the heat is still on medium. So now we can start adding in our seasonings, and I'm going to sprinkle in 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons salt, and I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of ground, or should I say garlic powder. I don't know where I was going with that, but garlic powder. So mix everything until well combined. And once it is well combined, we can pour in some chicken broth. I like to use unsalted chicken broth because I already add salt to this, but if you want to use regular chicken broth, that is completely fine as well. So now we can just get ready to grab the meat, add it back into the pan with everything else, mix everything, make sure it's well incorporated, and then we're just going to let this cook for a couple more minutes, and you know what? We are good to go. What would y'all serve this with? I personally like to serve it with baked chicken. That's always my go-to is baked chicken or baked pork chops. And sometimes I like to serve it with catfish. What would y'all serve this with? Oh, and of course cornbread. But let me know what y'all will serve it with. And of course, I want to know what y'all want to see me make next. So leave that down below in the comment section as well. But that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head over to iHeartRecipes.com and turn on your notifications.